Collateral Underwriter, or CU, is Fannie Mae's proprietary industry-leading appraisal assessment tool, which serves as a key component in assuring loan quality and managing credit risk on Fannie Mae's book of business. CU is used by Fannie Mae and our lenders to assess the quality of appraisals that are used to determine the value of properties underlying the loans acquired by Fannie Mae. Using data from over 20 million electronic appraisal records today, CU continuously evolves, receiving 20,000 new appraisals daily. Today, CU uses this data to evaluate 100% of the single-family and condo appraisals delivered to Fannie Mae. Let's take a look at some of the features that make Collateral Underwriter a key tool in managing the credit risk on the largest single-family book of business in the industry. On the appraisal page, CU provides detailed identifiers around the appraisal, including the CU risk score, which rates risk on a scale of 1 to 5, where 5 is highest risk, the appraisal quality flag, which notes potential issues with the appraiser's methodology, and the overvaluation flag, which notes potential issues with the appraised value. The map shows the location of the subject property. The appraiser provided comparables, which are represented by the blue icons, and alternative sales identified by CU, which are represented by the orange icons. The number inside each icon shows CU's ranking of each comparable based on proprietary algorithms that consider the location, similarity, and date of sale for each comparable. The Message Center provides very specific feedback to the lender so that the lender can assess any potential issues prior to delivering the loan to Fannie Mae. Messages may address items like comparable selection and data discrepancy. Prior to CU, lenders relied heavily on arbitrary distance guidelines to assess the appraiser's choice of comparable sales. With the heat map feature, CU provides a much more meaningful analysis of location by analyzing local housing prices at a census block group level. In this example, you can see how property values in different neighborhoods vary a great deal, even though they are not that far away from the subject. Prior to CU, lenders may have been unaware of these potential comp selection issues. CU's data integrity analysis helps to identify when an appraiser has reported potentially incorrect property or transaction characteristics. CU compares specific data fields on the appraisal against previously reported data and other sources to identify discrepancies. In this example, CU is indicating that the sales price of comparable number 1 may be incorrect. We can see that the appraiser has reported a sales price of $273,000, while 3 other appraisers and public records confirm a sales price of $250,000. Because of CU's extensive database of property records, it often has multiple observations of the same property. These observations are used along with public records information to validate key characteristics that help determine property value, such as square footage, number of bedrooms or bathrooms, home condition, and sales prices of comparable properties. CU's market trend plots the Fannie Mae Home Price Index relative to prior transactions of the subject property to identify potential overvaluation based on zip code level market trends. For example, you see the current appraised value is significantly higher than what mark-to-market trending would suggest based on the prior transaction. The Data Appraisal tab shows pertinent property and transaction characteristics, including a model-adjusted value for up to 20 additional comparable sales selected by CU. Appraiser-provided comparables are analyzed by CU and ranked against a pool of available sales based on physical characteristics, location, and sale date. Statistically derived, market-specific adjustments are estimated by the model for differences in physical features, time, and location. In this example, you'll see an abundance of similar properties that have sold recently for prices far below the $270,000 appraised value. Appraisers' adjustments that are materially different from model and peer adjustments are flagged and lead to higher risk scores. The majority of Fannie Mae lenders use CU before they sell the loan to Fannie Mae, which creates better quality loans and provides greater confidence in the property values underlying the loans we acquire. Collateral Underwriter benefits credit investors, lenders, and the housing market by providing industry-leading analytics and confidence in appraisals, a key indicator to loan performance.